Hey folks, are you feeling stuck, wasting hours trying to understand tough concepts or finish assignments? You want to learn faster, remember more, and have someone you can ask anything, anytime. That's exactly where Gemini 3 comes in. Gemini 3 is more powerful than you think, and this is just an example of that. You can make it your personal study buddy and ask anything to make yourself smarter. It can simplify complex topics, quiz you before exams, and turn long, boring notes into quick, clear summaries. Today, we'll walk through a few use cases that could genuinely blow your mind and change the way you study forever. Let's dive in and see how it expedites our learning process. This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First, you have to open up YouTube, and you can select any video you want to use as a source. So here is a video around 3 hours 32 minutes. It's about fundamentals of quantum mechanics. So here we will click on the share option, and we will copy the link. And then we will go to Google Gemini. And in Google Gemini, here we will add a prompt, "Watch this." And we will then paste the link here, and we will click on the Submit button, and Google Gemini will start to analyze the video. After analyzing it, it will make a summary type of line. You can check out this summary. And now what we can do here, we can give it another prompt. So we will write, "Help me understand this information by making bite-sized infographics." And here we will select Google Gemini Pro, and then we will click on the Submit button. Once completed, you can see Google Gemini has created an infographic type image. You can check out this image by clicking on it. You can see it has made a detailed infographic with nice and clean visuals. So if you want to make your visuals more attractive and nice looking, you can use this feature. So this was our first use case. Now let's move on to the second use case. So here we will give another prompt. Create a real-life simulator app that shows each of these concepts precisely. So for the source here, we will upload the downloaded image which was created by Nehru Banana. So with the image and this prompt, we will click on the Submit button. And now Google Gemini will start to make our app. And you can see the app being created live in front of you on the right side in the codes. So once the app is created, you can interact with the app. So you can check out it has created this kind of app to interact with it and understand the concept. So it is the quantum needs the photoelectric effect. So if you want to understand the photoelectric effect, this has made this kind of photoelectric effect type of app. So you can increase the frequency of the colors, intensity, and this is the math toolkit Euler formula. So you can interact with the cosine and sine to understand the circle of the cosine and sine and the probability nature. So here is the wave collapse understanding type. This is the uncertainty section. So it has made this kind of interface for this concept. So you can adjust the position precision to understand the position and momentum of the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So this was the second use case. Now we move towards our third example. So here we will again do the same steps which we did in the first use case. So here we will go to the share option and we will copy the link. And now go to the Gemini, and here we will write a prompt. Watch this video carefully and create a structured summary. Break down the content into main topics and subtopics. For every subtopic, provide at least 2 clear bullet points. Explaining the key ideas and examples are important. Details make the summary concise, accurate, and easy to understand. And then we will enter the copied link here. And once our prompt is ready, we click on the Submit button, and Google Gemini will start to make our summary or outline for this. Once it is ready, you can check out the contents here, and it has made a line with the timestamps for the information. So now we will give it another prompt. Now, using this information, make a detailed infographic. So once our prompt is ready, we will go to the Tools option and we will select the Canvas option to make infographics. This feature is good. So then we will go to the Submit button and click on it, so it will start to make our infographics. So you can see our complete infographics directly from the source, using the Canvas option. So the first example was using the Gemini 3 and Nano Banana Pro. So these both results look really good, but this one is more detailed. If you want more detailed and long type of infographics, you can use this feature. So now if you want to export this as a PPT file, you can go to the prompt option, and here you can add a prompt, add export as PPT option. So it will start to write a code for this one. And once it is ready, you can see it has added the export as PPT option. You can click on this and your infographics will be exported as a PPT file. Here is the PPT option. You can check out the PPTs, you can check out every page has been exported, every infographic has been exported as a PPT file. If you want, you can present this as a presentation if you want. So this was a video about the Google Gemini 3 Pro use cases. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.